Let me tell you a weird story. Last year, I met a guy who said something that punched me in the face mentally. He goes, "You don't have a motivation problem. You have a comfort problem." And honestly, that hit harder than any inspirational quote I'd seen on Instagram. Because deep down, you know it too. The real reason you're not doing the things you want, it's not lack of motivation. It's something way uglier. Stick with me. We've been lied to. Everyone tells you motivation is this magical force that appears when you watch the right video, hear the right speech, or wake up in a great mood. But if that were true, you wouldn't be procrastinating your assignments, or scrolling TikTok at 3 a.m., or promising yourself, "Tomorrow I'll start." Let's break the lie today, because once you see the truth, you can't unsee it. Section 1. The lie of motivation. Here's the harsh truth nobody told you. Motivation is not the starting point, it's the result. You don't wait for motivation, you create it. Think about any time you actually felt motivated. You start studying, after 10 minutes, you suddenly feel focused. You go to the gym, after 5 minutes, you feel energized. You start cleaning your room, suddenly you feel unstoppable. The motivation didn't show up first, action did. That's the trap most of us fall into. We sit around waiting to feel ready, but feeling ready only comes after you start. Section 2. The real enemy. Micro comfort. Let's talk about something that silently kills your drive. Micro comfort. Not comfort, micro comfort. That tiny urge to check your phone. That quick 5-minute break that becomes an hour. That little voice saying, "Just relax for a bit." These small comforts feel harmless, but they destroy your momentum before it even begins. Example, you sit down to study. Your brain goes, "Let's check notifications first." You agree, boom, 30 minutes gone. Micro comfort wins. Your goals lose. Motivation didn't disappear, you traded it for a small hit of comfort. Every time you escape discomfort, you train your brain that your goals are optional. But when you push through it, even for a minute, you train your brain to show up for you. Section 3. Why you procrastinate even when you care. Let's get brutally honest. Most of your procrastination isn't laziness. It's fear. Fear of failing. Fear of not being good enough. Fear of the work being hard. Fear of starting and realizing the result isn't perfect. So you delay, and you call it not motivated. But the truth? You're not avoiding the task. You're avoiding the feeling attached to the task. School assignments, fitness goals, side projects, all of it. Your brain would rather feel safe than feel proud. And here's the twist. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to start. This is why you feel stuck all the time. Section 4. The 10-minute rule. All right, time for the fix. This is something I personally use, and it changed everything. When you don't want to do something, tell yourself, "I'll do it for just 10 minutes. Not the whole assignment, not the whole workout, just 10 minutes. Why 10? Because once you start, your brain switches modes from avoidance to engaged. It's a biological thing, momentum psychology. And here's the crazy part. Most days, those 10 minutes turn into 30 or 60 or a full session. But even if you only do 10, you win. You trained discipline. You proved you can start even when you're not motivated. That's the entire game. Section 5. How to make motivation a habit. Let's build a system around this, because motivation isn't a feeling, it's a loop. Step 1. Reduce friction. Lay out your notebook, open the Google Doc, put the gym clothes on your chair, anything to make starting effortless.
Step 2. Kill micro-comfort. Put your phone in another room. Don't reward scroll. Create a boring workspace. Your environment should not tempt you. Step 3. Start ugly. Messy notes, bad form, low energy, doesn't matter. Perfect doesn't get results. Starting does. Step 4. Track the wins. End your day asking one question. Did I start? Not, did I finish everything? Not, was it perfect? Just, did I start? If the answer is yes, you are already better than most people. Step 5. Reward discipline, not results. Watch your favorite show after the work. Play a game after your study session. Reward the behavior you want more of, not the one you're trying to escape. Section 6. The brutal, liberating truth. Here's the truth that frees you. Motivation is not something you chase. It's something you earn. You earn it through action, through small wins, through doing things even when they're uncomfortable. And once you stop relying on motivation, you become unstoppable. Because everyone else waits for the perfect mood, the right moment, the wave of inspiration. But you move anyway. That's how people level up. Quietly, consistently, without hype. Try this tonight. Not tomorrow, not later. Pick one task you've been avoiding and do the 10-minute rule. Just 10 minutes. Start. Messy, tired, uncertain. Doesn't matter. Just start. Because the harsh truth nobody told you, you don't need more motivation. You need more starts. If this helped you, stay with me. Let's level up together, one small action at a time.